Assalamu alaikum. I hope so that you all are fine. In today's video, I again welcome you to my YouTube channel Study Waves with Umar. As you know that in previous video we have discussed that what is meant by transfer waves. In today's video we will discuss some basic properties of a wave. I will write it here. Some basic properties of a wave. That what are some basic properties of a wave? First of all, let me write it here. Our first property of a wave is frequency. That what is meant by frequency? Frequency is basically the number of waves passing through a point in 1 second. Number of waves passing through a point in 1 second. That how many waves are passing through any point in 1 second is, for example, if 50 waves are passing through a point in 1 second, its frequency will be 50 hertz, and the unit for frequency is hertz, which were represented by the scientist hertz. Now what is meant by the velocity of a wave? Velocity of the wave is basically the speed with which the wave travels. Speed of the wave, it is represented in meter per second. For example, if a wave covers 100 meter distance in 1 second, its speed will be 100 meter per second. Whereas our third property is amplitude. Amplitude is basically the maximum displacement of a wave from its mean position. That what is the maximum displacement of the wave from its mean position? For example, consider that here this is the wave, so this is its mean position, and the maximum displacement from this mean position is known as its amplitude. This is its amplitude. This amplitude is represented by x0 and it is measured in meter. Hope so you like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.